For more than 90 years, customers have trusted in the Milbank brand, based in part on our commitment to quality. Customers buy Milbank meter sockets trusting they are safe, secure, and built with the highest quality materials. Predatory companies overseas are now cloning our products with lower quality components, and you could be at risk. Milbank insists on high-quality parts for the product's longevity, and most importantly, for your safety. These clone products fail to provide the proper quality standards you have grown accustomed to with Milbank. For example, poor quality steel enclosures and paint, as well as heat caused by substandard terminals and connectors, will lead to extreme temperatures, arcing, and product failure due to expansion on the terminals, corrosion, guillotining conductors, and degradation of the contact to the electric smart meter. This can damage the meter, causing significant loss of energy and an increase in cost. There is also a potential risk of injury to technicians or end users when substandard components are used in the manufacturing process. Here are some ways you can determine if your meter socket is a Milbank or a clone. The Milbank name appears on the cover and labels on the interior of Milbank products. Milbank always uses copper jaws or terminals with 10 plating, never steel or aluminum. Clones may use support clips for 50 to 100 amp sockets, which acknowledges that failure occurs on poor quality terminals. Milbank does not need these clips due to copper's terminal strength and durability. Milbank may offer these support clips per the request of the utility. Milbank has dual rating connectors AL, CU, and a stainless steel closing latch and pen on the cover. Milbank utilizes reinforced fiberglass blocks in our products, which holds bolts for temperature and toughness versus the lower quality polycarbonate mechanical force blocks of the clones that soften at lower temperatures and loosen screws, causing product degradation and energy loss. To greatly extend the lifespan of your product against rust and corrosion, Milbank uses 12, 14, and 16 gauge galvanized steel, not thinner gauged hot or cold rolled steel. For a higher quality finish, protecting the unit from environmental corrosion, Milbank uses an electrostatic paint process, not a wet spray painting process. Milbank offers custom manufacturing to the specifications of your area's utilities and can meet the volume demands your region needs. We implore you to be cautious of the units you purchase and to avoid the poor quality, short lifespan, and potential costly replacements derived from these clones. For more information about our products, please visit us at www.milbankworks.com.